AGBA, stock analysis tomorrow and onwards. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether AGBA Group Holding Limited stock is a buy or not. So watch this 1 minute video till the end. Now, I was pretty bullish on AGBA, like, even in the previous video that I made. Like I said, I'm still trying to take it higher, but it just never comes inside my zones for me to take it higher. It just doesn't give me the opportunity. I'm still bullish. I'm still expecting new highs to be made. How am I going to approach this if the price comes into my demand area and gives me the rules? Like, if it doesn't give me that, then that's fine, man. Like, you can go without me. Like, it's like whatever. I'm not gonna not follow my strategy and lose, rather than just trying to FOMO in. Like, yeah, I would rather just stick to what works. So I'm gonna wait. What I'm exactly waiting for the price to pull back, give me the rules, so then I can take it higher. And here's the catch: if you're correctly managing this, you can have a lot more than like 1 to 3, 1 to 4 hour. All right, you can just leave some of your positions to run, but it's not financial advice. Click the first link in the description for free resources of Vardy because it's free and I don't sell courses.